Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to have better communication when it comes to your online marketing. Alright, so let's talk about something. This is really important. A lot of times I go on Instagram and what I normally see, and I'm sorry, I hate to say this, but it's typically with realtors and insurance agents. I go to their accounts on Instagram and what do I see? I see a bio that has, hey, dog dad of 5, my favorite ice cream is cookies and cream, and I live in Texas. That's typically what I see, and this creates a really big problem. So today we're talking about, hey, how do I step up my communication skills when it comes to online marketing? And one of the biggest and easiest ways to do this is to be clear on what you do, and that's it. It's really that simple. A lot of times we want to fill in the gap with fluff, and that's what we should avoid, because when we're looking at online marketing, when we're looking at Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media platform it is, our attention spans don't last very long. So all of that fluff, all it does is create windows and pockets of opportunity to leave our account. So the fluff on social media online should be thrown out the window. Okay, so that's really the key thing here. When it comes to our social media presence, when it comes to our online presence, there are 3 things that we should really address and that people should have a clear and simple understanding of. The first one is, what do you do? What's your product and what is your service? Or what is your service? The second one is going to be, hey, why should I do business with you? And this is the part where you have to establish some credibility. So highlighting some of your past work, some of your awards, how long you've been in the industry, those things matter. And people should know about those things. And finally, the third thing that should be addressed that everyone should know about is how to do business with you. They like your product, they like your service, they need your service. What are the next steps? Do they set up a consultation meeting with you? Do they send you a direct message? Do they order something online? People need to know. Don't let them guess about how they can do business with you. Let them know. Make it simple. This whole principle is around cognitive fluency. So in cases like this, less is more, because cognitive fluency says whenever things are simple to understand, whenever things are easy to do, people are more likely to do them. So let's make things simple for others. Let's get rid of the fluff. Let's simplify our overall message, and let's address those 3 things so that way people clearly understand exactly what we do, why they should do business with us, and how they can do business with us as well. So if you want to step up your communication skills, you need to learn how to simplify your overall messaging. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.